Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a tutorial for your game without actually making a tutorial. This past week I was lucky enough to participate in BenBonk's 20,000 subscribers special. Basically how it worked was Ben would work on a game for an hour and then pass it off to one of his fans. They would work on it for an hour and then give it back to him to work on, and he repeated this cycle until the game was complete. Here's how it went. By the way, subscribe to BenBonk. And now, it's finally my turn to work on the project. It's my time to shine. X-Ray Dev and BenBonk, a match made in heaven. I'm gonna use my 1 hour to make the game so good that BenBonk will notice how epic I am, and we will become best friends. Forever. Okay, this is gonna be easy. Let's go. Oh shoot, this game is actually sick. What can I do to even make this better? This is so good already, it's practically done. Well, I guess the sprites are a little dull, so I can brighten them up a bit. I'm also gonna give the ball eyes that match the mouse. And just keep doing some more color changes. One thing I can do to the goal sprites is make the unfinished sprite gray. This will help the player understand that this symbol is inactive instead of the green, which just made it look like the goal. The more drastic change from gray to green will add to that nice feeling you get every time you complete a level. I can also make the breakable blocks crack slightly more and more each time they are hit to add a little more juice to the impact of the ball. This change, along with the goal change, does a great job of tutorializing the game without needing any actual explanations. When I start the first level, I'll see the grayed out flag and know that it is the goal, but it's not ready to be interacted with yet. The only other thing on the screen is these yellow blocks, so I'll know I need to interact with them somehow. Oh, look at this cool mouse cursor, and there's an effect connected to the ball. Okay, by the way, I fixed this because it was a little too distracting. So there's an effect attached to the cursor. I guess I should click? Oh, okay. The ball shoots toward my mouse when I click. Oh, and it appears to break these orange blocks. I should break them. All of them. I changed this trail too. It needed to fit better with the new colors. Oh, okay, cool. Now I get how to play the game. Break the blocks, get to the flag. And that's how you tutorialize your game using assets rather than actually making a tutorial. Okay, now that I've shown off my epic art skills, I just need to add some new gameplay features, maybe a soundtrack. Aw, shoot. My time's already up. So to get this straight, in my hour, all I did was make like 6 sprites brighter and draw some cracks. Epic! I was so productive! Now Ben will notice me and we can become best friends. Okay, seriously, I feel like I didn't really do anything, but thanks for making me feel included. Everyone else has done absolutely amazing, and I'm honored to just be a part of this.